This is the elevator at the Northern Trust Plaza parking garage in Sarasota, Florida. This one skips floors 2 and 4. We are at 5. Let's take a quick look out. I think this is the only elevator in the garage, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's call it. We'll go back down. This used to be, I believe, a Dover, but it got modded by Otis. This garage definitely isn't 5 floors. I think it might be like a double helix or something like that.
First floor.
As an add-on, after we get off, we're going to take a quick look around the garage.
Going up.
Actually, you know what, on second thought, we're gonna go up to 3.
Going up.
I thought that was an entrance to the garage right there. It's not. So we're gonna go up to 3 and then we're gonna take a quick look around.
Third floor.
So I just realized this is the capacity all the way down there.
Going down.
So there goes the elevator. You can see this is the garage. This is level 3. It only looks like one half of the garage, so let's take a quick look. Here we have the answer. We're on level 3. We can go up half a flight of stairs right here, and this I believe is level 4. I can't quite see no, I can see it right there. And if we were to go half a flight down from level 3, we would end up at level 2. And if we go the rest of the way, we're back up at the top. And there's actually a level 6, I believe, too. So 6 stories in total, but the elevator only serves 1, 3, and 5 as a result. Anyway, that'll be it.